Hello dear students, welcome back to Science Wise. Today in this video we are going to study about the question answers of chapter 16, that is garbage in and garbage out. ठीक है, इस चैप्टर के हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? पूरे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इस वीडियो में हम लोग कवर कर लेंगे. ठीक है, तो चैप्टर क्या है आपका? गार्बेज इन एंड गार्बेज आउट. Okay, let us start with the exercise. The very first question of this chapter is very short answer type questions. First question is, the garbage collected in bins of blue and green color are placed in public place. What type of garbage should be disposed in? ब्लू वाले जो बिन्स होते हैं उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? रिसाइक्लेबल. एंड ग्रीन बिन्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. City garbage is usually dumped in low-lying area out in the city. What such low-lying places are called? They are called landfills. Third, what are the substances which cannot be broken down to non-toxic, harmless substance by bacterial action called? It is non-biodegradable. Fourth, what does the office waste contain? Office waste क्या contain करेगा? Paper. Question number 5. Which of the following is biodegradable? Broken glass, sawdust, plastic flour, paints. Answer is sawdust. Question number B, that is short answer type question. Answer in 10 to 15 words. What might happen if the garbage is not removed from our homes and surrounding? क्या होगा अगर आपका जो गार्बेज है उसको हम रिमूव नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? तो आंसर इज, if garbage is not removed from our homes and from our surrounding, it will be dirty everywhere. Certain components of the garbage will be rotten and give foul smell. Flies and mosquito will start breeding. Rats, dogs, etc. will move around freely. Certain disease might spread. Question number 2. Why has the recycling of non-biodegradable substance become essential? Answer is, the recycling of non-biodegradable substance has become essential because first, non-biodegradable substance do not decompose or rot for long time and make the environment contaminated. Second point, recycling saves the energy and renewable all the non-renewable natural resources. Question number 3. How is the garbage segregated by using blue and green bins? Segregated means separated. Answer is, the garbage is segregated in blue and green bins. Recyclable materials such as metal waste are collected in the blue bins. Biodegradable waste such as kitchen, animal and plant waste are collected in green bins. Fourth, how can we reuse and recycle papers? Answer is, paper can be reused in many ways. First, we can make beautiful files from our old chart papers. Old invitation greeting cards can be used to make telephone diary. Next point, old newspaper can be sent in recycling units. Old books can be given to other children who need them. Next point, we can make beautiful handmade sheet from the used papers by recycling them. Next question is, list 5 substances which can be recycled. Answer is, the following substance can be recycled, that is aluminium article, newspaper waste, glass articles such as bulb, bottle, etc. Tin articles such as oil tins, plastic, PVC. Long answer type questions. Answer in 20 to 25 words. First question is, name the various components of the garbage. Name a few useful and non-useful material commonly seen in the garbage. Answer, garbage comprise a wide variety of waste material. It has both the useful and non-useful components. First, the useful component include materials such as plastic, broken glass, waste paper, cloth, article made of iron, aluminium, etc. The non-useful component include kitchen waste, plant waste, animal dung, etc. Second question, it is possible to reduce the problem related to disposal of garbage? If yes, how? It is possible to reduce the problem related to disposal of garbage. We should collect different components of the garbage separately at the point of its generation. Material that can be recycled are collected in blue bins. जो मटेरियल रिसाइकलेबल है उसे हम क्या करेंगे, ब्लू बिन्स में कलेक्ट करेंगे. तो वेस्ट इज सेंट डायरेक्टली for the processing. The kitchen, plant and the animal waste is collected in green bins. This waste is sent directly to the composite site. Question number 3. Which kind of garbage can be converted into compost? Describe vermi compost. अब इसमें आपको क्या डिस्क्राइब करना है, दो पार्ट्स हैं क्वेश्चन के. पहला तो आपको वर्मी कंपोस्ट बताना है और फिर आपको क्या बताना है बच्चे कि जो गार्बेज है उसको कन्वर्ट कैसे करते हैं कंपोस्ट में. तो हम इसके दो पार्ट्स हो गए हैं ना. लेट अस गो टू द आंसर. गार्बेज फ्रॉम द kitchen waste paper, dry leaves etc. undergo complete degradation in few days time. These kind of waste can be converted into compost. ठीक है. और इसके बाद हमको वर्मी कंपोस्ट बताना है. क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया ना वर्मी कंपोस्ट के बारे में. तो वर्मी कंपोस्ट इज वर्म मैन्योर. That the method of preparing compost with the help of red worms is called vermicompost. Vermicompost is prepared in the following ways. A pit about 30 centimeter deep is dug in the ground. A wire mesh or a layer of sand is spread at the bottom of the pit. Second, the kitchen waste containing fruit and vegetable peel, leftover food or cooked food, tea leaves etc. is now spread over the wire mesh or sand layer. Third point, some water is sprinkled in the pit to make the layer of garbage wet. The layer of garbage in the pit should not be compressed so that it can have sufficient air and water. Fourth, then some red worms are put in the pit and the pit is covered by a layer of grass or gunny bags or any old cloth. Fifth, after about a month, the component of the pit is found to be loose soil-like material. This is called vermicompost. Question number 4. Describe briefly the method of recycling of waste paper. Answer. Recycling of waste paper. The paper waste is torn into small pieces and soaked into water, taken in plastic bucket for day or two. After that, the excess water is squeezed out and the soaked paper is crushed to get a homogeneous paste. Homogeneous means equivalent paste. ठीक है. Consists of fiber isolated from each other. Now a large tub is filled to the half with water and 2 tablespoons of white glue and is added to it. The paper waste is put in the water and stirred to spread the fibers. Any resulting clumps are removed. Now the net frame is immersed in water to drain the excess water from the meshed paper. The sheet can be pressed gently to remove water. This sheet is properly dried to get recycled paper. Question number 5. Suggest a few ways to minimize the harmful effect of plastic. Answer. First point, use plastic bags to minimize. If possible, Reuse the plastic bags. Second point, ask the shopkeeper to use paper bags. Third, carry a cloth or a jute bag while going out to the market for shopping. Fourth, do not store eatables in plastic bags. Fifth, do not throw used plastic bag here and there. Empty plastic bags choke the drainage system. Sixth point, never burn plastic waste. Burning plastic waste give exhaustic gases. Seventh, do not put the domestic garbage into plastic bags while disposing it into garbage dumps. Define the following. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. तो biodegradable material क्या है? Which cannot be broken down into non-toxic, harmless substance by the bacterial action even after a long period of time is called non-biodegradable material. The disposal of such waste material creates a problem. Plastic, then glass, certain kind of detergents, paints, etc. are non-biodegradable material. Biodegradable material which can be decomposed to non-toxic and harmless substance by the bacterial action within a short period of time are called biodegradable material. Cow dung, agricultural waste including kitchen waste, paper, cotton, cloth, dead and decaying animal are biodegradable material. Landfills क्या होती है? Landfills are the low-lying open area in which the garbage is thrown. The landfills are located in some remote areas far away from the populated area. The garbage is spread over the entire area of the landfills. When it gets filled, it is covered with a layer of soil and leveled off. The whole area is then converted into a park or a playground. Vermicompost. Vermicompost is a manure prepared by worms. The method of preparing the compost from kitchen waste with the help of red worms is called vermicompost. Vermicompost is much better manure than the ordinary compost. It is better to use vermicompost instead of fertilizer because it is quite cheap, eco-friendly and does not harm the soil. Think and answer. High order thinking skills. Question number 1. Should we call kabariwalas a friend of environment? Yes, one can call kabariwala the friend of environment because he helps in spreading the various type of waste. He also collects the thing which can be recycled and reused, thus help in keeping the environment clean and non-polluting. Second, the rock garden at Chandigarh has been created from the discarded things. How has these things saved our environment? All the discarded waste and other recycling garbage usually are littered around in the environment, thus polluting it. But the rock garden in Chandigarh utilize all such discarded waste and help in reducing the polluted area and waste and saving the environment. Question number 3. Why are non-biodegradable waste more hazardous for mankind? Answer. Non-biodegradable waste such as polythene and other glass, metals, chemicals are dangerous for the environment and mankind. These wastes have been proved to be environmental unfriendly considering the time taken for their decomposition. They can cause problems like blocking water penetration into the soil, which in return affect the food growth and development. The fact that they are non-biodegradable makes them hard to dispose of and result they can act as breeding place for many of the disease causing germs which sooner or later can cause epidemic. Hope so this video is very clear to you. You have understood the question answers of chapter number 16, that is garbage in and out. So if you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment section, or you can demand for more such educational videos related to science. Stay connected with ScienceWise. Thank you.